Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Bkex, a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of digital assets. Whether you're new to the crypto world or you're an experienced trader, Bkex offers a user-friendly interface with advanced features. In this video, we'll explore how to navigate the platform and take advantage of its trading options. After logging in, you'll notice the clean layout where you can access different markets like spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading allows you to trade real cryptocurrencies directly, while futures trading offers the chance to trade on future price movements of assets. To start, simply create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds into your wallet. You'll then be able to explore different markets and order types, from limit orders to market orders. Before placing your first trade, make sure to explore the platform's educational resources to get familiar with trading strategies and how to manage risk effectively. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now that you're familiar with the Bkex platform, it's time to start trading and managing your portfolio. Be sure to explore all of the tools available, including the mobile app, to keep track of your trades wherever you go. If you want to stay updated with the latest market trends, you can also follow news and analysis directly within the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful.